Too busy for yoga? Think again. With just 10 minutes, you can energize your day, reduce stress, and feel more balanced, all without sacrificing your schedule. The right gear makes quick routines even easier. The Manduka Pro mat provides unmatched stability and joint protection, while the Gaiam Yoga Mat Bag lets you take your practice wherever you go, work, home, or the park. 1. Sun Salutations. Energize your body. 2. Seated Twist. Relieve tension. 3. Downward Dog to Plank Flow. Build strength. 4. Tree Pose. Improve balance. Each of these takes just 2 minutes. Do 1, 2, or all 5, it's your choice. The Manduka Pro mat's grip ensures you stay steady through every move, no matter how rushed you are. Busy days don't have to mean skipping self-care. With the Manduka Pro mat and Gaiam Yoga Mat Bag, quick yoga routines fit right into your life. Ready to transform your day? Click the link below to learn more.